Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Still on this vacation things, we wanted to make it very fast. Okay, so we came up with this beautiful vegetables. I'm gonna list them on the description box, and we wanted the chicken very spicy, so we add lot of pepper, and of course, I'm trying to test this particular seasoning called Big Jeff, Big Jeff seasoning. We're using the sweet chicken seasoning. First of all, I clean up the beans, set it aside. For the chicken, we introduce the pepper, a lot of pepper. Yes, we want it delicious and spicy. I didn't add salt because I tested the seasoning and I noticed it has salt. So we added the Big Jeff seasoning, okay, to the chicken, and of course another pepper, the black pepper. I love the aroma from the black pepper, okay, in the chicken. Okay, just these three seasoning, and mix the chicken. Mix the chicken, give it a proper mix, and add the vegetable oil into the chicken. Set it aside. Then later put it inside the oven for it to bake. If you're just watching us for the first time, this is Eka Farm Lifestyle. Thank you so much for your support. Your subscription means a lot to us. We encourage us to make more videos and show you what we do in our little corner. Thank you for subscribing, and for our returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much for always watching our videos. Okay, for the chips, we actually wanted this chips, fried, like fried, but at the last minute we just changed our mind and said, let's quickly put it inside the oven, okay? Let's just oil it, put it inside the oven, and allow it to bake. So we just added vegetable oil and drop it inside the oven. Okay, our beautiful vegetables are ready, and the stock from the chicken, we just put it inside the pot, allow it to steam. Then we added the green bean, just the green bean inside the stock. The mixture of all those beautiful seasoning we used in the chicken, and food is ready. Making me hungry again. Yeah, my family actually enjoyed it. We added mayonnaise to it, mayonnaise, and serve. Mm. Well, remember we had the tin green beans in the house, so we just put in the remaining vegetable, that's the green bean and onions inside the stock, and added the green beans, the canned green beans. I like to steam, just the scan. Haricot vert. I like to steam, and our delicious green beans meal with chicken. It's ready. So yummy. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.